Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I have another organizational video for you, but this time we're in my kitchen and we are going to go ahead and go into this closet that used to be a linen closet that I transform into the items that I don't use on a regular basis in my kitchen. So these are things that I maybe use seasonally or once in a while when I entertain, and then also I store some of the larger snacks that I get in larger boxes that I pick up at Costco. So that's all housed in this closet as well. So it's not really a linen closet, it's kind of like a kitchen pantry, but it's not a pantry because it's not where I house the majority of my food. It's mostly things that I don't use on a regular basis. So let's go in, pull everything out, declutter, organize it, and see if we can make sense of this space.
If you've been following me for a while, you know that this has been a journey for me to keep my house clean and organized. I make this a big goal of mine every year, every month, every week. And I think if you have an organized home, it's easier to clean and it's more welcoming. So this is something that I try to strive for on a daily basis. Like all my organizing projects, I work from the top all the way down, and I like to pull everything out of the space and give it a good wipe down or a vacuum with my shop vac or my Dyson little small vacuum cleaner. Yes, I do line my shelves with paper towel, and that is only to gather all the extra moisture that has accumulated from the wipe down or from the area in which I live in. I live in an area with a high water table content, and this is very helpful for that. Now there are shelving liners that you can use in contact paper. I just found they don't work for my home and they stick to the shelves and destroy the shelves. So I found this to work the best. Now, when I put things back into my cabinets, I try to place things that are things that I absolutely love and find beautiful. Clutter is not an option. I want to make sure I have things that are in my cabinets that are serving its purpose and that I use. If I no longer use it and it's in great shape, I donate it. If it's not in good shape, I go ahead and toss that in the trash. I try to store the items that I don't use on a regular basis at the top and work my way down from there. This shoe organizer that I have on the door of my large cabinet in my kitchen has been wonderful for organizing our water bottles. In each pouch, I include the tops and the caps for them, and they're easy for quick and go for our fill-ups for our sporting events, work, and all that jazz. I do use my Dyson shop vac to clean out each of the pouches for any crumbs and debris. And you cannot forget to store the cough drops. We have a few pouches over here as well. So there you have it, another kitchen cabinet, nice and organized. Like I said, if you enjoy these organizational videos, please give me a thumbs up, let me know, and remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me, and I'll see you guys real soon.